like sweating so bad because I'm literally crouching down, holding my camera on top of my broken tripod. But you know how we do? But here we go.
You know we get money, right?
Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Danielle. Ay, Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Danielle. Ay, Lisa Dan, yeah, Lisa Danielle. It's Lisa Danielle.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. Yep, I'm holding my camera on top of my tripod. Yep. 2022 off to a great start, guys. If you're new here, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. So I'm gonna keep this short and sweet because my arm hurts. Today we are here to make crystal fringe jeans. Everybody's making them. You know why? Because they're super easy. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. You literally just need jeans, fringe, and E6000 glue, but I am going to sew a little bit just to reinforce it, but honestly, you don't really need it. But me, like, I'm thick, so like I wanna make sure that when my jeans start to stretch, yeah, you know what I mean. So if you wanna see how I make crystal fringe jeans, then stay tuned.
So to start this DIY, you're gonna need some crystal fringe. You can find this pretty much everywhere, but I'm not gonna lie, it's not cheap, yo. It is just not cheap. But I'll leave some links in the description box below. Grab your E6000 glue and any pair of jeans that you like, and you're just gonna place the fringe on the seam of the jeans with the fringe, like the hangy part, facing the back of the jeans. So you'll see how I'm putting it down right here. Like, you see how the like hangy part goes toward the back? Yeah, that's what you wanna do. So anyway, you just grab your E6000 and you put a thin layer right along the seam, and you're just gonna place your fringe onto the glue. And make sure that you press down, make sure that it's stretched out evenly, all that good stuff. You're just gonna do that all the way down. It's literally that simple. Again, just making sure that you're placing it on the seam and that the fringe is hanging toward the back. Now, you let this glue dry for 24 hours and then you should be good to go. But for me, I do want to hand stitch this as well. So I'm just gonna take some silver thread, or you can use clear thread. White thread probably wouldn't show as much either with this silver fringe. And you're just gonna go under the fringe, going through the fabric as well, and just pull. That's it. I mean, it's pretty much all you're gonna do. This does take a while when you try to hand stitch it, but it is gonna make sure that everything stays intact. So once you're done hand stitching, or if you just decided to stick with the glue, you're all done and you can style these beauties however you like.